That's garbage. About to put rims on my skateboard wheel. Of like tail. I can't say the next part. Sadly, Lil Wayne messed up that part, bro. Hope y'all ain't holding y'all pillows tight, man. We got work to do, you know. Get your work done, then go back to sleep. Sleep how much you want to sleep. But when you have work that need to be done, you need to get on it instantly. Instantly, bro. Instantly, bro. So start holding your pillow tight and get straight to work. Cause we have work to do. Unfinished business. You feel me? Don't take this one. Unfinished business, bro. Man to man, man to woman, you feel me? We have unfinished business, for real. Not to block my view. Oh shoot. I ain't gonna lie. I miss playing Fortnite back then in 2018. At freshman, and I don't think that was a freshman. Yeah, it was freshman. Well, that wasn't fun. I think that was the end of 2018, so I was a sophomore. So. Part in the back. Wait, the Fortnite the same no more. Can I get that same feeling no more on Fortnite? Yes, we have. What the heck? Shoot. I had to put that down. You know what? But yeah, like I said, Fortnite don't hit the same no more like it used to hit back then. And then you had Apex also back then. Apex, I wasn't really a fan. Only played because the people that I used to play the game with back then in high school, you know. But yeah, that's the reason why I only would play Apex. That's the only time I'll be playing Apex is that. Cause if I ain't playing Apex with my bro, I'll be playing I'll play Battlefield by myself online. Battlefield, Call of Duty, or Fortnite. But yeah, Fortnite do not hit the same no more. It do not. They don't give you the same feeling no more. the same feeling. I think because I'm older now, but even though I'm still young as heck, but still, Fortnite do not give that same feeling. I promise you. Or maybe I need to take a visit to the game and see how it is today at 2025. Cause I ain't been on this since 2023. That's a long time ago. But yeah. Yes, we have 1 minute.
Get some sun, man.
But yeah, man. I'm gone. It's your boy checking out. I'm out, man.